What? You got another package? Alright, I'll go check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back, everybody, to actually going to be a quick unboxing or unbagging video today. This actually just arrived. It was something a little different. This is an Etsy purchase from a store out of Lithuania called UAB Militar. So I'll put the name in the description so you can look them up. A variety of items. So I've actually never bought from them before, so we're going to learn together what we actually got here. Okay, so right off as we're opening, it's a bag within a bag, so well protected and very nice. Oh, look at that. So this actually probably came from a storefront, because this bag is totally sealed. Huh. Be ashamed to almost open it, but I want to get my stuff out of here. So let's see how we can do this discreetly. Nice little. So these are some, I guess, Tropentarn or Desert Tropentarn pattern pants. Normal size belt loops. Button points for suspenders, I believe. Including on the back right there. Belt loops, plenty of belt loops. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6 on the very hips. 7, am I miscounting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 belt loops. Not bad. Button up at the top. Zipper, plasticized tan. That marking on the zipper. Figure that out. Okay, so pocket-wise, slash pockets at the front. We then have some cargo pockets that are actually more on the frontish than rather the sides. No, they're kind of on the sides. So those are snaps. Ugh, stiff. Good. 2, fairly deep. No reinforcement on the knees, and we got drawstrings. Other drawstring. Other cargo pocket. Other slash pocket. Moving to the rear. We have one pocket on the right, which is actually a button, which makes things a lot easier, I guess, to get in and out. Although I'm having trouble. Okay, pretty sturdy pocket too. Okay, label-wise. Very nice. And that appears to be it. So this is just a quick unboxing, unbagging video. Again, this is an Etsy purchase from UAB Militar out of Lithuania. So check them out on Etsy, or if you're local in Lithuania, check them out, I guess. This came and arrived as advertised in a bag, and these feel new. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Feel free to check out other unboxing, unbagging videos, and we also do some show and tell videos, as well as a series of curios for the curious. Some collections of oddities I've collected over the years. And feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Thanks for watching.